So in this Vista Create tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to remove an image background here on Vista Create. So the first thing you have to do is obviously go into Vista Create. Once that is done, go to the left hand side of your screen, go to the Photos tab right here to add a photo to your design. So we'll just press on Photos right here. And then what I will do is actually just press, I'll put an image right here of this person that has some headphones on and has some sort of food item in their hands. Now, if you wanted to remove the background, so let's just say you wanted to keep the person right here, but remove this sort of brown orange colored background, it's fairly straightforward. Press on the image right here, go to the top left to where it says remove background. Now, to remove the background, if you were to press on it right now, you actually do need the premium version of Vista Create. So what you can do actually is try the 14-day free trial right here, and that'll remove the background. So as you can tell by this photo right here, there's a background, and if you were to remove it, the background will be transparent with the person or the object still in the photo. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to remove the background of an image here on Vista Create. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.